So crazy news day. Obviously, Federal Reserve announced that they're going to raise interest rates by 0.5%, the largest amount since the year 2000, actually. And as you can see, this is how the market reacted. So huge jump up. I did get into a sell order and I closed it early just because I saw actually this right here. I saw this exhaustion and I thought, oh, prices was a little bit before news around 11 o'clock, 10:35, 11 o'clock in the morning. I thought it was going to push back up, and then, depending on the news, it was going to continue pushing up or push back down. But I just didn't want to deal with it. I had locked in about 100 points in profit, so I just closed it out. Dropped a little bit further in my targeted direction, but then obviously shot all the way back up, blew past any stop loss that I would have had definitely. So as you see here, price has jumped up 700 points basically in a matter of 2 hours. So they actually dropped down to about 33,000 and shot up. So really counting for that, it shot up 1,000 points in this last 2 hours. So definitely why you got to be careful trading the news or trading while news is going on, because you can just get completely taken out. So now that this has been broken, this level here of resistance has been broken, this zone has been broken through multiple daily. We'll see if it breaks below this one. Obviously, the market's not closed. I'm making the video about 3:45 p.m. local time because I have some other stuff to run around and go do. But this should give a pretty good indication as to where the post market is heading. So it broke all the way past above this. We'll be looking to see pre-London or pre-New York session tomorrow what the move will be, because based on this, it is still retesting these previous highs here, retesting potentially this level up here. Oh, that's the weekly actually. I'm sorry, it was too high. Retesting this level here, and it pushes back, well, beyond that, it will retest this next level here of support turn resistance, and then next this level here as well. So we'll definitely see what comes, of that. We'll see where this next few hours plays out. With that, I'll be looking to get either in on a reversal back down if I see exhaustion forming in this area here, or if I see that it looks like price is going to continue back up and is forming a level of support here and it's going to continue to push up potentially. I'll maybe look to see if I get in on a counter trend trade pushing up to see where this goes. I mean, on the weekly so far now, we're very bullish on the weekly. Big engulfing candle on the weekly doesn't mean that the trend necessarily is switching to bullish yet. It would have to break above this level here, in my opinion, really break above this level before I'd be starting to look for some steady buys. But I think between here and there might be some opportunity for buys. So we'll see on the lower time frames, on the daily. Obviously, as we're just saying, breaking above these levels of resistance here, could it push up and then come back down, and have a support form here and push up potentially, or it could, run out of gas around here and then just continue to push back down also. So we will see. Just this here, I think I have this at 333. Yes, no, 332. Oh, okay. You know what? It's fine. Doesn't matter. Doesn't have to be exact. Let's put this one at 333. There we go. So, anyways, that's what I'm looking for now going into Asian session and London session. Um, Asian session, I think we might have just some fluctuation in this range here, potentially some drifting, drifting in this area, maybe even just drifting back down to this area. We'll see. And then when London comes back into play, we'll see where it pushes and see where to set up. But I think we'll be. I mean, I don't want to project, so I can't really project, but definitely we got some good levels here. Is all I'm going to say. We got some good levels of resistance up here to play with, some good levels of support down here. Some good strong weekly and daily support and resistance levels, and also we got some zones around here to play as well. So I think we'll before the week is out, be able to find at least one more, not maybe two more good plays, good more opportunities, to be able to get into to finish off the week strong. So let's see how it goes. And with that, I will catch you guys pre NY session tomorrow. Good night.